Okay, so pretty much what you're going to do, do you see that? Do you understand how you did that? So if we draw a line through there, note that this thing there, that little arrow there and that little arrow there are parallel, okay, which means that that's parallel and that's parallel. If I'm trying to figure out that angle there, okay, if I'm trying to figure that out, I can use that angle and that angle now. I can use that angle to figure out that angle, okay? So I'm just going to write it as angle B equals, what does angle B equal? Hey, doesn't matter. B equals what? Well, how would I work it out? What do you reckon? If they're parallel lines there.
Oh, that'd be like co-interior.
They're co-interior, right? So they're going to add to what?
180.
180. So it's going to be 180 minus 125, right?
Yeah.
Which is going to be equal to 55 degrees. And we just write a little reason for that. So current angles are equal. Oh, add to 180. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we're going to work out that if we look at this angle here, I'll just draw it here. We've got that one there. We've got this angle here as well, and we can work out that angle there. How can we work out that angle there now?
Because angles in a triangle add to 180.
Yeah. Okay. So C equals 180 minus 125 minus 44. Okay, which equals
minus 55.
minus 55. Minus 55. Thank you. Good spotting. Good spotting. So minus 55. Minus 55. And what's that equal? 81.
Yeah.
Okay, it equals 81 because angles in a triangle.
Yeah.
Okay. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Done and dusted. Right, so this is it. We've got to find angle. We've got to find length x, which is this bit down here. So we've got to find that length there. Okay. This is a similar triangles one. So you guys should be looking out.
Yeah.
For a similar triangles question, there will almost guaranteed to be one in there, and when they bring it in, it'll be an excellence, and it's an easy excellence, okay? It's an easy excellence, I think, because you don't have to prove anything. So to do it, we need to create two triangles. This triangle here in the green, and then I'll do another one, the larger one, in the kind of brown. So we've got two triangles. Firstly, we need to show that they're similar triangles. Does anyone know how we do that? Anyone know? What do similar triangles have in common? What makes them similar? Okay. What they have is they have the same angles. So I need to show that the angles of the green triangle are exactly the same as the brown triangle. Okay? So I can show that by saying that angle A equals angle B. Why does angle A equal angle B? Corresponding angles, yep. Angles and parallel lines. So they're equal. So therefore, I guess I can put a little line on that and a little line on that, showing they're the same. Then I can say what else? D equals C, again because of corresponding angles on parallel lines. Just to make sure that's a parallel, these lines here are parallel because of that little arrow in the middle, okay? And also, so therefore these two here are the same, put a little line on those, okay? And they both share, both the brown and the thing share that angle in there, that 44 up here, okay? So all the angles are the same, therefore they're similar triangles. And I'll write that, therefore, except I'll do it in the right colour. Therefore, they are similar triangles. Right? Yeah. That's the first thing you need to show. Okay. The next thing we can do is we need to work out angle line x. The way we do it is we write them in terms of ratios. So we write the short of the green triangle. We write this side here. How long is the short triangle for that side there?
10.
It's 10. So it's going to be 10 divided by. It's the same side, but now the long triangle. How long is the long triangle?
15.
It's 15 because it's 5 plus 10, so it's 10 over 15.
Yeah.
And then we make it equal to, we're going to do the same process, but now we're going to do it for that side there.
Yeah.
So what goes on top, Caden?
X.
X. Okay, so for the green triangle, for the small triangle, it's X, and for the bottom one, it'll be 18. Okay, now we just need to solve for x. Okay, so to do that, we need to get rid of this 18. How do we get rid of the 18? What's the 18 doing to the x? What's the 18 doing to the x?
Dunno.
It's dividing it. The 18 is dividing the x. Makes sense? So to get rid of it, I need to do the opposite of that. How do I get rid of it?
Times it.
I'm going to times this by 18. That will allow me to cancel them out. Okay? But whatever I do to one side, what do I need to do? I need to do it to the other side as well. So if I times that by 18, I need to times this by 18.
Yeah.
And when I times a fraction by a whole number, I actually just end up timesing the top. So I'm going to times the 18 and the 10 together. So that becomes 180 divided by 15, and I'm just left with the x on this side. Then I'd get my calculator out, and I'd simplify this fraction here, 180 over 15, which simplifies down to 12, because 180 divided by 15 is 12. Have I answered it correctly?
I think so.
I haven't actually.
No.
I give a merit for that. It needs to be 12 centimetres. Okay?
Aye.
Need to include that. Happy?
Yeah.
Cool? Yeah. So that's excellence.